Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Portable wireless CarPlay car stereo, 7, HD touchscreen for car with Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto with backup camera, mirror link, voice control, Bluetooth, GPS, FM satellite radio for all vehicles. Upgrade wireless CarPlay screen and Android Auto. Portable CarPlay screen for car supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You can access your phone's music, map navigation, messages, hands-free phone call, etc. when it simply connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or USB. It also supports voice control via Siri or Google Assistant. Add for Apple CarPlay to any car, with DC1 to V-2 for V voltage for Apple CarPlay screen for car, which fits all different vehicles, like campers RVs, trucks, pickups and vans. There is no need to disassemble your car's console. Keep your car's original radio as usual. Equipped with an adjustable self-adhesive dashboard mount. Simply mount 7-inch Android Auto card. Thanks for watching and subscribe.